Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. So it is about maybe 11 a.m. and I just want to stop by and share just what I'm doing over here. But listen, guys, let me share my sky with you, okay? Let me share my sky. So that is my sky, y'all. That's my sky. Yeah, baby. That's my sky. And it's on its way. It's on its way. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. But in today's video, I want to share with you I'm harvesting some of my moringa leaves. Also, I'm going to share I'm cooking Jamaican yellow yams and tasting them for the very first time. Yeah, so sit back, relax. Let's do it. All right, guys. Let's get on with the video. Yeah. All right, family. So my neighbor right across the street from me, she asked for some of my moringa leaves. So what I decided to do is just harvest some leaves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry them. I can put them in my dehydrator, but I find it really simple just to put it in a box or a bag and just let her air dry. And that is how I'm going to dry my moringas. As you can see, this is the tallest moringa I have in my garden right now, right? She is very tall and she is just a healthy tree. Now, I have shared some of the things that I know about a moringa. She's not fussy about soil. She's not fussy about watering every day. You know, I can not give her water at all. She have a very long tap root. So when she need water, family, she will go get her water. Yeah. So of course this is me out there, you know, I'm just having a ball. I'm enjoying the day. It was just amazing. But what I didn't know is I'm trying to pull the tree down some now so I can share with you all what I see. And what I see here is she is making flowers. And of course, when you have flowers, there is seeds. So it's very hard for you to see because, of course, we have this beautiful sky as our background, so you really can't see. But that is right there. That is flowers coming on, right? But yeah, family, what I didn't know is that many of the stems in which I had harvested, look at that, flowers. But that's okay. She have a lot of flowers on her. So I'm expecting many seeds from this baby. Yes, many seeds. And I was a little disappointed, but you know, as I went back and examined the tree, she good because she have lots of flowers. Now this is another moringa tree I have. She's really small, but I'm gonna take her leaves. And the thing about it is, if you're heading into the fall, you want to take your leaves because that's what we harvest from the moringa. And her leaves will turn yellow and die, so you want to get it. That's my little curry tree, so she loves it under the moringa. This is another moringa tree I have. So total, I have 5 moringa trees in my garden, family. 5. So this is my moringa. I have washed them and put them on my freezer outside in the garage. So now I'm just taking them. I'm taking them off the stems like this. Wait a minute. Wait one second. So this is how I'm removing off the main stem and having them just in here. And this is that stem once it's done. And I'm putting it in a box and I'm gonna let them dry. Now listen, I can put them in my dehydrator because this method, usually I would put it in a brown paper bag, but I have so many, so I'm gonna put them in this little brown box and they are gonna dry. And then I will share with you all. I'm just going to put them in my Ninja and put them in tea bags. There we go. All right, guys. All right. So this is my first okra of the season. So I'm gonna get her. There she is. Little thing. And I'm gonna just pop the tip. Now let's try this baby. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby. That's really good. So I came out here looking for an onion. Would you believe I don't have an onion? Damn. So this is a part of my meatless Monday in a gallon of water. So this is my 5th cup of water. There's no sugar in here. It's just fruit, lemon balm, ice, and water. And it's really good. But today, guys, this is what I want to share with you all in my kitchen. So if you were in my live on last night, then you know I talked about this vegetable. This is a Jamaican yellow yam. That's who she is. So I'm going to prepare this today. All right, let's go. All right, family, so this is my ingredients I'm going to be using. This is garlic, onion, and red and yellow bell peppers, or red and orange bell peppers. Some margarine, some chef Paul. This is my lemon powder. Slap Your Mama, Tony Sachere back there. Adobo. This is my onion powder. I need more. This is coconut milk. And this is all the seasoning right here. I'm going to put in there. And of course, this is the star of the show, the Jamaican yellow yam. So let me peel her and get her in cubes. So family, let me say, I watched a lot of videos. Look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful yam. But I watched a lot of videos. I looked at a lot of recipes. And the young lady recipe that I chose, I will put her name in the description box. And you can go see the recipe that I saw. All right? But now I understand that you had to hold the yam. There's some kind of sticky pattern on it, so I use gloves. But this yam, it cuts different than any kind of potato. It's almost like a buttery feel. Yeah, it's a real smooth yam. Now I put a little lemon juice in it just to clean it really well. So this is just butter. This is the coconut milk. I have 2 little jars of it. And the seasonings, there they all are. Yep. It wasn't very hard at all, just following really, really cool steps. That's all. Yeah. And I just let it cook. This is some of my Egyptian spinach that I harvest. Really good in here. Very, very good. There it is. The yellow Jamaican yam. And there is some my Egyptian spinach in it and fresh lemon thyme on top. So let's taste this baby, y'all. So I have never eaten it. Now they are soft. The potatoes are soft, and of course the sauce here is very creamy. Um, because it's made of coconut milk. I add water, just to help it cook down so the potatoes can get nice and soft, right? So this is my very first time tasting the Jamaican Yellow Yam. Here we go. Mm. Mm. So, I think she is, oh, this is hot. I think she's creamy. She tastes like a potato, but she have her own distinct flavor. Um, but it's a nice flavor. Yeah, yeah. One thing I do know, if you have a house full of kids, this meal will definitely fill your kids, right? So I love it. It's a smooth taste. It's very creamy potato. Yeah. Mm. And I think if I would cook it longer, where it would really, really come apart, it would be much, much more smooth. It's very smooth as it is. You can look at the consistency of the coconut milk. But it's very good and it's tasty. It's so beautiful. Um, Meatless Monday meal. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it. It's not something I would jump up and down about. I mean, it ain't no shrimp meal. But it's good, y'all. It's really good. Try it and tell me what you think of it. And they are not expensive at all. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, wait a minute. Hey everyone, Jada's home. So Jada been tasting. You can see by the bowl. But so you want to give another taste, and then you can tell everybody what you think of this yellow Jamaican yam.
Yes, I definitely will.
Yeah. Cool. She have chicken with it.
It's really good to me personally.
Mm-hmm.
I think like the consistency
Mm-hmm.
is like a beet and also like a bean,
Mm-hmm.
kind of like.
Mm-hmm.
And then it tastes like kind of just like a potato, but like different, if you know what I mean. Like I don't know the taste.
Mm-hmm.
And also like the aftertaste is like a carrot. I know it's really mixed up, but it's like the aftertaste is like a carroty taste.
Okay. So Jada's having chicken, even though it's Meatless Monday, but she said that she made a mistake and she ate meat for lunch for school, so she just scratched this week. But she drank her water, so she'll start over for her Meatless Monday on next Monday. Says she forgot she ate lunch today with meat. But anyway, so would you like this meal again?
Yes.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay. Cool. All right, guys. That's Jada's opinion about it. Now I was thinking about if I like it a lot, then I would grow it. Now that Jada like it, I may grow it, but like as I said, it's very inexpensive, and they sell it not too far from me. But we'll see. We may grow one bag. All right, guys. That's Jada.
Later, y'all.
Have a beautiful Meatless Monday, and I will see you all on the live on Tuesday at 7 Central Time. Later, y'all.